You got one piece out. What all those? Whoa! Kenan, you're so strong. Oh, careful, careful. Wow. Who put in there? Kenan, what do you think? Who put in there?
I don't know. I think I was Grandma.
No. I think a long time. What you say yesterday?
A dog?
A dog? Oh, wow.
Yes. It's like a little pond.
Like a little pond.
It's like a little pond.
Wow. Okay. That too heavy, Kenan? Wow. Whoa. Look at you guys. You're so strong. Wow. Why people put in there? Whoa. Very careful, okay? Uh-oh.
We need to tell about this.
Wow. We put down. Wow.
I go dig.
Nothing now. Maybe that's it, right? Kenan?
Let's go mine some trees. Might be in the 1938 maybe.
What do you say?
Nothing. 1988?
You said might be the 1938
Yeah, maybe.
and people put in there. Wow.
Look at grass. I think they saw something like.
Yep, take that. Take your sweat. Take your jacket out.
I think they found like gold or diamonds maybe.
Diamond.
And they just like hide it with a piece of wood.
Oh.
And maybe the diamonds like fall in the dirt.
Oh. Okay. Oh, don't put your jacket on the floor. Maybe you put back in the camp.
Should we tell Auntie Cole?
Sure, go.
There you go.
Go tell Auntie Cole.
Oh, it's strong.
Get these woods out.
Yeah. Woo, it's wood. Let it dry or burn it. This wood probably 30 years old.
He said,
Free wood.
Free wood, yeah.
Kenan say maybe happened in 1930, right?
1938.
38.
I'm gonna find some cool rocks in here.
You always have story. Let's go.
Okay.
Strong man.
I pulled everything out. We might something under the. We might find something under the wood.
Try to find to see if what your
Ooh, look at this.
rock.
This is black.
Mm-hmm.
We found a cool rock. Okay, find some cool rocks. Oh, this one have a little red.
Mm-hmm. That's the red.